Are you looking for the best tool vest? In today's video, we're gonna explore top 5 tool vests that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as adjustable straps, breathability, pockets, comfort, style, and fit. There are many types of tool vests that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The JKSafety High Visibility Safety Vest is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 tool vests. We tried to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the JKSafety High Visibility Safety Vest. The JKSafety High Visibility Safety Vest, which has up to 9 practical and roomy pockets, is our top pick. Given how adaptable it is, I find it delightful to learn about this safety vest, which also doubles as a pretty useful tool vest. It is extremely adaptable and can be used in a variety of applications across many industries. In actuality, it serves as a good tool vest for carpenters and construction workers in addition to being a tool and safety vest made for sanitation and landscaping employees, security guards, railroad workers, emergency response teams, and surveyors. This tool vest versatility doesn't stop there because you may wear it for recreational activities like biking, motorcycling, and running. This safety or tool vest construction boasts an amazing combination of materials. Its pockets are made of 300D Oxford cloth and breathable mesh. Its heavy-duty zipper, which has double piping for added security and integrity, is another thing you'll notice. The fact that the entire construction is machine washable, lightweight, and durable is amazing. You can utilize the entire space that this tool vest offers. There are 9 roomy, multi-purpose pockets that are all easily accessible. For additional storage, it also includes pouches for your other items. It's great that the pockets are positioned so that you can easily access them. At number 2 is the STANLEY FATMAX Tool Vest. This vest for tools is a great choice. One of the best tool manufacturers in the world is STANLEY. These people are the best people to design an excellent work tool vest. We have a variety of pockets with different depths and widths that can accommodate a wide range of tools with ease. Even whether you're working in a hot garage or outside in the sun, the breathable mesh material helps keep you cool, and the adjustable shoulder straps let you modify the fit. It has a fantastic design, top-notch materials, and workmanship, a reputable brand, and it's also one of the most reasonably priced vests on the list. Do you have a criticism of this vest? Well, if you put too much weight in the pockets, it has a propensity to ride up a little at the rear. However, the name is really the only thing we object about. At number 3 is the JORESTECH High Visibility Tool Vest. The JORESTECH High Visibility Tool Vest is another option that is well known for being perfect for whatever project or task you have. This implies that you can locate this incredible product that meets your wants, whether you're seeking for a carpenter's vest, a construction tool vest, or one made for electricians. This tool vest usage of the extra durable cordura nylon material throughout production is one amazing feature that will no certain significantly gratify you. I am also ecstatic to notice that this tool vest is packed with features that make it very exceptional. One of these is its abundance of pockets and pouches, all of which are intended to hold your tools conveniently close at hand. To avoid problems fitting your tools, such as nails, a torch, and a hammer, the pockets and pouches are made to be big and expansive. Additionally, all of the pockets, pouches, clip points, and gear loops are positioned so that you can easily reach them, increasing your security. Additionally, your belongings might be kept secure by the front zipper closing. Given that it suits the majority of people, you may be sure that you won't have any trouble locating your size. Even the side straps are adjustable, allowing you to alter as needed to precisely fit your body size. With its 2 luminous strips at the back and its orange or neon green trim, this product should help with visibility. At number 4 is the Holmes Workwear Tool Vest. The Holmes 10 3530 MHBLK Workwear Tool Vest is a well-known brand for several popular tool vest models. We should admit that the piece's predominant black color makes it appear fairly cool at first glance. In terms of style, this one can match a variety of business attire. By developing this design for its model, the brand made the proper decision. We have no trouble fitting our tool collection inside this vest because it has several pockets. Additionally, those pouches are distributed throughout the device, so carefully examine which slot is best for certain types of equipment. Such a clean organization offers constant ease of access. There is more to this tool vest's practical storage space. Finding out about the nickel tape measure clip that can support our hefty hangable equipment makes me very happy. The extra tool pouch can also be readily removed when not in use. Its excellent comfort is another selling factor. The fact that this Holmes tool vest is comfortable to wear for extended periods of time at work has surprised many employees. By using mesh to build the back portion of this item, the manufacturer achieves that. At number 5 is the Bucket Boss Canvas Super Vest. The Canvas Super Vest that Bucket Boss offers will undoubtedly win your heart as well. This utility or tool vest, which is mostly made of heavy-duty ductware canvas, is a fantastic replacement for the traditional or conventional shop apron because it offers the ideal balance of comfort and durability. The 14 compartments that are included in it provide more than enough room for all of your work supplies. Additionally, it has 2 bottom pockets that can both be removed and adjusted, ensuring a comfortable and tailored fit. Additionally, you don't have to be concerned about shoulder stress and strain. It occurs as a result of the padded straps in this utility vest. I observed that Bucket Boss added extra padding to each shoulder strap to increase user comfort while working and prevent pain and discomfort from impairing their actions. These padded shoulders also help to lessen the overall weight that the pockets must bear from the hefty instruments, because it is breathable and moisture-wicking. I also support the usage of the complete mesh back in this instance. This tool vest's elastic sides, which ensure a more adjustable fit, are another compelling reason why I adore it. This vest is extremely simple to adjust, and I found that each pocket is proportioned sensibly. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.